I'm here with Sheep Farmer Olsen, and today we're gonna
feed the sheeps.
Feed the sheeps. Oh, doggy. You are very blue. Has anybody ever told you that you are very blue? You're like a walking blueberry. Ooh, Hercules, 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 Hercules. Oh, sheep. Oh my God. Sheep. Sheep. Ah, the sheep. Too many sheep. Ah, the sheep. Oh, humanity. Oh my God. Sheep Farmer Olsen, would you say that you are in deep sheep?
In deep sheep?
Yes.
Indeed.
Sheep.
Deep.
Sheep.
Indeed.
Oh, indeed. Food.
Would you like to taste?
Not tasty. Not tasty at all. Kira, Kira, sit. Lig. Runt. Woo. Sit. Woo. I'm a sheep farmer. Yes, you are such a nice doggy. Woo. Okay, come get your chow. Come get your food. It is food time. Okay, one at a time. Do not push. Do not push. Behave like people. Behave like people. Stop pushing. Do not climb on each other to get food. Wait in line. Will you wait in line? Oh. Have you no dinner manners? Have you no table manners? Wait in line. There's enough food for everyone. You won't starve, I think. I feel so sorry for those sheep because I have tasted what they are eating and it really tastes like sheep. Oh, he's climbing into the dangerous sheep. Haven't you seen the movie Black Sheep? These creatures are killers. They are dangerous. Such courage. Oh, the big talking blueberry is among the sheep. Ooh, drama. Oh, by all means, just close the door. Thank you. Give us a kiss. Farmer's breath. Oh my God, we are in the tractor. Where are we going now? You blueberry farmer?
To check on the sheeps.
To check on, are we going to be in more deep sheep? Woo. Hi, doggy. Ooh.
Mountain sheeps.
Mountain sheeps. Wow.
their favorite food.
Is that their favorite food?
Yes.
Oh, what is that? Hay?
Hey,
Hey, you! Ugh. I feel like a milkshake in here. Nice Wunderbaum, blue, just like you. Houston, we have a problem. We have some sheep trapped inside their feeding thingy. Stupid sheep.
no problem.
No problem, said the blue farmer.
The sheep are like the farmer, very sporty type of guy.
Okay. Oh, so many buttons. This is like the bridge on the USS Enterprise. Woo. But one thing I don't get, aren't we like in Lapland?
Yes,
So where are all your reindeer?
I'm not allowed to keep reindeers.
Why not?
It's only the mountain laps.
Oh, you're not a mountain
No,
lap?
I'm not the mountain lap.
Oh, that's so unfair. Reindeers are so cute and stupid. Very stupid. Your tractor is spraying snow.
Yes. Samma och så tar du bara posen och kör det bara med traktor. Så kommer vi ner rätt för trä. Ja. Kommer ut.
Okay, thank you for this very interesting experience, Blue Farmer.
It's okay. Nice to see you.
Okay, thank you, Bluey.
Okay, Greenie.
Yes. And so the Blue Farmer travels into the sunset. Sheep Farmer Olsen, would you say that you are in deep sheep?
Deep shit.